In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Trello error uploading file issue step by step. If you've tried attaching a file to a Trello card and it keeps failing, don't worry. This is a very common problem, and it's usually caused by one of 4 simple technical reasons. I'll walk you through each one and show you exactly how to fix it. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first and most common reason you're seeing the Trello error uploading file message is the file size limit. If you're using Trello's free plan, you can only upload attachments up to 10 megabytes per file. That's pretty small, especially for videos, high-resolution images, or large PDFs. If you're on a paid Trello plan, the limit increases to 250 megabytes per file. So the first thing you should do is check your file size. On Windows, right-click the file and click Properties. On Mac, right-click and select Get Info. If the file is larger than your plan allows, that's your issue. To fix this, you have a few options. You can compress the file into a zip folder, which often reduces the size. For images, you can re-export them at a lower resolution. For videos, try reducing the quality slightly before uploading. Another very easy workaround is uploading the file to Google Drive or Dropbox, then attaching the share link directly inside your Trello card, instead of uploading the file itself. That completely bypasses the size restriction. The second possible cause is an unsupported or problematic file type. Trello supports most common file formats like JPEG, PNG, PDF, DOCX, and MP4, but sometimes files fail because of strange naming issues or uncommon formats. For example, if your file name includes special characters like symbols or emojis, Trello might reject it. To fix this, try renaming the file using only letters, numbers, dashes, or underscores. Keep the name simple. If the format itself is the problem, convert the file into a more standard format. For documents, convert them to PDF. For images, use JPEG or PNG. If it's a folder with multiple files, compress it into a zip file before uploading. Then try attaching it again to your Trello card. The third common reason is a slow or unstable internet connection. If your connection drops even for a second while uploading, Trello may fail the upload completely. This happens more often with larger files or when using weak Wi-Fi. To fix this, switch to a more stable Wi-Fi connection if possible. Avoid public or overloaded networks. You can also refresh the Trello page and try again. If you're using the Trello desktop or mobile app and it keeps failing, try opening Trello in Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge instead and upload the file through the browser version. The fourth and final cause is a browser cache or temporary glitch. Sometimes your browser stores corrupted cache data, which can interfere with uploads. To fix this quickly, try doing a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift R. On Mac, press Command plus Shift R. If that doesn't work, clear your browser cache in your browser settings, then restart the browser and try again. Another easy test is opening Trello in incognito mode or switching to a completely different browser to see if the upload works there. So to quickly recap, when you see the Trello error uploading file message, check the file size first, then confirm the file type and name, test your internet connection, and finally troubleshoot your browser. One of these 4 fixes almost always solves the issue. If this video helped you fix your Trello upload problem, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.